one of the cool things about my job as an architecture librarian is that I get to look at the things that are out on the market for building materials. So for things that you can put in your home or your office when you're building, the different products you can use to build with. And I was in a meeting with a bunch of architecture librarians that are really focused on materials within construction and building. And I sat through the Carnegie Mellon architecture librarian. Her name's Lynn. She's very nice, like super nice, and she's just so warm. Anyways, she did a presentation on these reindeer moss wall. Oh my God, I can't think of the word. They go on the wall. Wall coverings. There we go. Thank you. It's reindeer moss, and it's from a Scandinavian company called Nordgrona, and I'm sure I'm mispronouncing that incorrectly. I'll show you their name here. There. That's the name of them. See? Reindeer. Anyways, so it's from this company, and they're really fantastic. It's used for acoustic purposes. They've got a flame retardant quality to them, and they're just beautiful, and it's sustainable, which is fantastic. It's, it matters because our world is dying because we're killing it. Anyways, so I was so excited about the product while Lynn was talking about it that while she's over here in the Zoom meeting, I'm over here on my screen on my browser and putting in this company's name and going, I would like a sample, please. And within 3 days, I had my sample. So anyways, I just wanted to show it to you. The problem I'm having is that I can't find prices because this is actually something I would like to put in my house. So, hey, Nordgrona, I want to know how much this stuff is. Okay, here it is. Let me show you. All right. Ta-da! So these are called pixels, and they have all different styles that you can get. But this is like their basic line. This is the pixels. And as you can see, they're different colors. Oh, God, I wish they're so soft and cool. So that's interesting. I don't know what their thermal capabilities are. Like if they can, I didn't pay attention to see if they talk about keeping a home cool or, whatever. So it's fantastic. Now, if you're someone who watches The Last of Us, we're going to ignore that this looks like cordyceps. But yeah, it's so beautiful. Like, look at the colors. I wish you could feel it. It's just so soft. And I had to get a chuckle because, it's literally reindeer moss from the wild. And so there are pieces of the forest that came along with this box. And I just want everyone to go out and figure out how they can incorporate this into their home and what way can they use it, because I'm so excited. Anyways, enjoy. Today's my last day for this semester, for the year, so I got so much to do. So naturally, I'm making a social media video instead. Anyways, okay, bye.